Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our contact number is 76967342256. You may contact us on this number for the best OET coaching, and please subscribe our channel if you have not. This is a very small video again to the vocabulary that we are continuously uploading that is very common in OET to come. So there are certain words which I have written. Expedite. Expedite means speed up, accelerate, fashion, rapid, swift. These all words are to speed up the process. Speed up means, suppose if somebody says that this thing is accelerating. Accelerating means इसको fast कर रही है. It is fastening the process. Rapid or swift also means the same. When in any line in reading, it is given there is little evidence. Little evidence over here means, little means negligible, almost nothing. Little means hardly any evidence. Hardly also means almost nothing. Very rare, not rare, very rare, very rare. The opposite to this thing is, if I take the words from here and cut it and copy it here, these are the opposite words. Occasionally means more often, more often. So often is also the word for this. Occasionally, more often, majority of the times, mostly, frequently. So this is opposite to the words rare and everything. So please try to listen to this 2-3 times. You will definitely see improvement in your reading and you will surely pass OET reading. Please try to go through all the vocabulary videos of our channel and subscribe the channel if you have not. Maximum and minimum also confuses you at times. In today's reading, we were doing stuff in which it was saying at least half of the what was the line? At least half of something was there. So that was given, at least half of the reason is genetic. So at least half of the reason is genetic means at least 50%. At least 50% means minimum 50%. And minimum 50% means it is surely more than 50%. Ulta hota hai. It is opposite. When somebody says minimum 50% or at least, suppose if I say I have minimum 50 rupees in my pocket, that means either I have 50 or more than that. So please try to understand. If I have maximum 50 rupees, that means either I have 50 rupees or less than 50. So maximum and minimum becomes opposite when they are used. So please listen to this 2-3 times. Pause the video right now, take it back, listen to it again right now, and subscribe our channel if you have not. Now, the main point of OET reading. Today we were doing a question where 3 options were given, like aspirin reduces, aspirin contributes, aspirin will reduce. That means all these options are certainty. Certainty means surety. Aspirin will reduce means करेगी, surely करेगी. Aspirin reduces or contributes मतलब करती है. And there was one option that was saying aspirin may inhibit Alzheimer's disease. So automatically this option has the higher chances, because in the paragraph it is given that aspirin is less likely. Less likely means probability. That means possibility. That means may. That means can. I want to say these words are the words of probability, and chances of answer is higher. That aspirin may reduce Alzheimer's disease. Please try to understand. अगर ऐसा पक्का होता, if it would have been certainty, aspirin will reduce Alzheimer's, तो क्या आप medical professionals को पता नहीं होता? Wouldn't medical professionals like you know about this thing that aspirin will reduce? Yeah, aspirin reduces. This cannot be answered anyhow. So may has the higher probability. So that was the only option of may. and I didn't have to read even the paragraph. But yes, in exam, be cautious, read the paragraph. So in paragraph, the word was given aspirin is less likely to cause, or less likely or more likely to prevent Alzheimer's. So that means it may prevent, more likely to prevent. Because in the medical domain, nothing is certain. No drug in this world can claim with certainty that it reduces fever, headache. So probability obviously has higher chances. Probabilities may, can, could. So please read these options very carefully. Then there was another word, rise, increase, surge. So in this sentence was that suicide rate rose over 2000 and 2001. So that simply means that suicide rate rose over 2000 and 2001. Rose means increase, increment, surge, soar, elevate, uplift, escalate, rise, rose, reason. So suicide rate rose over 2000 and 2001 means that there were more suicides in 2001 as compared to 2000, because it rose. That means there were more suicide in 2001 as compared to 2000. This you need to understand. And when somebody says the suicide toll has leveled off means it was straight. That means 2000 also the same, 2001, 2002 all the same. It did not change. Neither it increased nor it decreased. So this is very important vocabulary. Please subscribe the channel if you have not. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes. Contact us for the best OET coaching. Our number is 76967 34256. Thank you.